Hello everyone and welcome to day 3 of Advent of Cyber. So today our task is brute forcing. Let's start with the exercise. So to start we need to start the machine. We have to click the button, this green button over here. And then after you click on the button you will get an IP address over here. So if you copy it and you open a new tab, you will see that we have a path with 16 digits and letters. So what we need to do is to generate a file containing every possible digit and number in the path. Basically, if you go here, you will see that we can't type more than 3 digits. Even if I try, I can't type more than 3 digits, or letters, of course. This means that the maximum length of the word that we're going to need to use is going to be 3 digits and numbers. So there's a tool to generate 3-digit words called Crunch, and this is the following command we need to use. So if we go over here on my terminal and paste this command, so we have crunch 3, the amount and all the numbers and all the letters we're gonna need to use, and the output on 3digits.txt. So the first letter is the maximum. The first letter is the minimum. The first number is the minimum length of the generated password. The second number is the maximum length of the generated password. These are all the numbers and letters we're gonna need, and this is the output. So if I hit enter, you just have to wait 1 second, and now you're gonna be able to see that we have a 3digits.txt file on the directory. If we cut it, basically I'm just gonna do head 5 3 digits. You're gonna see that it generates 3-digit numbers plus letters. So if we move on, now that we have the generated file, we have to use it to brute force the path. So how are we going to do this? If we go here and we do view page source, we're going to see the code of the web application. And if you go here, over here on the form, there is the form. So if we go over here on the form, you're going to see this line, and it says method post, which means that the method of the form is post. Action login.php, which means the action of the form is PHP. It's a login.php, and the name of the input is going to be pin. This is very important information to be able to attack the pad using Hydra. So as you can see here, we have the command, the whole command to attack the web application. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste it on the terminal. I'm just going to explain to you what all this information means. So it's already explained over here, but I'm going to read it with you. So Hydra does L, quotation marks, does P, 3digits.txt, does F, does V, the IP address, HTTP post form, login.php, pin equals. This is very important over here. Access denied, does S, and 8000. So L and quotation marks indicates that the login name is blank, as the security log only requires a password. Does P, 3digits.txt, specifies the password file to use. 3digits.txt, the file generated with Crunch a few moments ago. So does F stops Hydra after finding a working password. So when we find the password we need, the Hydra is going to stop searching. And does V provides verbose output and is helpful for catching errors. So this is the IP address of the target. HTTP post form specifies the HTTP method to use. In this case, it's post, as we read already on the page source. As you can see over here, the method is post, so we're going to need to use HTTP post form. Then we have this very important line over here. It says that the page that I want you to attack is login.php because the action is login.php, then I want you to use the name pin equals pass. And this pass over here is going to be replaced by all the values of the password list. The password list, I mean 3digits.txt. It's also written over here. So pin equals pass will replace pass with values from the password list. Access denied, in this case, indicates that invalid passwords will lead to a page that contains the text access denied. So the last one is does S8000 that indicates the port number on the target. It's time to run Hydra and discover the password. So if we go on my terminal and I run the command, it's going to start searching. As you can see, we're going to have to wait for a moment. While we're waiting over here, let's read a bit more. So yeah, basically that's all we had to read. The command above shows that Hydra has successfully found a working password. This is going to be the response we're looking for. It's going to be 8000 for the port of the web application, HTTP post form, the IP address of the host, and the password. So let's check if we got the answer. Okay, so we got the answer. So the password is 6F5. So if we try this password 6F5 on the application, 6F5, continue, you see that we are able to enter the panel. So here you can check that we are on the control.php, which is the control panel of the web application. AC temperature 16, we needed code, test backup power, unlock door, and reset pin plus close. So here it says find the pin code to access the control system and unlock the door. So let's unlock the door, and then we get back this flag. If we copy the flag, it's the correct answer. And yeah, that was it for today. I hope you learned how to brute force using Hydra. It's a very important tool. I hope you enjoyed day 3 of Advent of Cyber, and see you in the next video.